Hello, hi guys. This is CA Balakrishna. How are you? Hope you people are doing well. Even I am fantastic. Now, as you already know, recently we have launched audit classes for CA Inter, and a huge response is received for those classes. And basically, if you order those classes, you will get audit concise book, which is basically this is the audit concise book. In this video, I will show you how the audit concise book will be there, and along with the audit concise book, you will also get audit question bank when you order the regular classes. Now, what I have decided is, apart from the students who have taken the class, if you wanted to purchase only audit concise book, you don't wanted classes, you want to purchase only audit concise book, or you wanted to purchase only question bank, what I have done is I have made books, only books available for sale on the website. You can find them either on kmrclasses.com or on lecturepedia.in website. So basically the purpose of this video is I will just give you a glimpse of how audit concise book, the physical copy of audit concise book will look like. So let us see how the audit concise book looks like.
So yes, this is the hard copy of audit concise book which you can see over here. Let me just explain you briefly about this book. So this is the first page of audit concise book, and here you will find how to use this book. The key features of the book you will find over here. However, I will be explaining you the key features of this book in this video, and this is the index. Basically, in your ICA study material you have 10 chapters for audit, right? But what I have done it is, for the purpose of easily organizing and remember the content, I have divided it into 14 chapters. So in the audit concise book, in total you will find 14 chapters, and along with that I have also given the weightage for each chapter. So from each chapter, how many marks you can expect for your examination, the weightage also I have given. And if you see from here, the total number of pages of this audit concise book, it is 275 pages, and here I have given some of the abbreviations that I have used in this book. And here comes your first chapter. So if you see, the first thing that you need to observe is the book, it is completely a color book, and here the major content of the book, it will be in blue color, and here you will find certain terms that are highlighted in red color. So if you see in examination like audit, the valuer, he will give you marks completely based on key terms. So you need to remember which are key terms. So for the purpose of remembering key terms, what I have done is I have highlighted all the key terms in red color. So if you see the entire book, it contains the key terms highlighted in red color. So this is the first feature of this book, and these key terms you can also use them during revision. So while revising audit, you can just go through these key terms and your revision gets completed. Got it? So apart from that, another thing that I have done is, let's say you have read this concept of fundamental principles of professional ethics. Now you wanted to solve questions on this concept. So if you see at the end of the concept, I have given question numbers that has to be solved. So question number 1, 2, 11, 12 and 14. So you can directly go to your question bank of this chapter and solve these questions that belongs to this concept. So like this, I have interlinked the concise book with the question bank, and as I have already told you, even the question bank is also color book. So like this, you can find the complete content of audit concise. And another thing, at the top of each page I have given the chapter number and the chapter name, so that it won't be any confusion for you when you are reading the chapter. You can get to know from which chapter you are studying. So this is audit concise book, and basically in our regular class what we will be doing, we will be going through the concepts through PowerPoint presentations, right? So whatever the images that I have used in the PowerPoint presentations, I have kept them in the audit concise book also, so that you can relate to the PowerPoint presentations that we have discussed in the regular class with this book while reading the concept. So this is about audit concise book, and the further details of how to order this book I'll explain you.
So yeah, that's the hard copy of Audit Concise book, which is completely a colorful book. And the price of this Audit Concise book, it is 599 rupees. And just like Audit Concise book is a color book, even the question bank is also a color book, which you can order from lecturepedia.in or from kmrclasses.com. And this question bank, CA Inter Audit Question Bank, it will contain 300 plus questions from all the past RTPs, past MTPs, and also the examination questions of ICAI. Apart from that, even the study material questions also have included into the question bank. Okay, so just like the concise book is a color book, even the question bank is also a color book. Okay, so you can order both of these books from the website. So hope you will take benefit of these two books. And another thing, I haven't compromised on the content of these books. Whatever the content that you are finding in these books, this is completely from ICI study material. Okay, I haven't missed any concept from the ICI study material. Just the thing that I have done is I have made it colorful, and I have highlighted the key terms in red, and I have divided the content into point wise. That's it. But I haven't compromised with respect to terminology of ICI. I haven't compromised with respect to content of ICI. Everything I have placed in this concise book. So hope you will utilize these books for your preparation. And yeah, that's it from my side. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you.